In this video, we are doing a complete school vocabulary pronunciation and reading practice. We will look at the word, read it together, and practice the perfect pronunciation. SCHOOL, school. CLASSROOM, classroom. OFFICE, office. RECEPTION, reception. LIBRARY, library. LABORATORY, laboratory. CORRIDOR, corridor. WASHROOM, washroom. CANTEEN, canteen. MAINGATE, main gate. UNIFORM, uniform. STAFFROM, staff room. You can mute the video and guess the word. FEES, fees. STAGE, stage. NOTICE, BOARD, notice board. PRINCIPAL, principal. TEACHER, teacher. STUDENT, student. CLASSTEACHER, class teacher. MONITOR, monitor. CLASSMATE, classmate. FRIEND, friend. PEON, peon. GUARD, guard. LIBRARIAN, librarian. TEXTBOOK, textbook. NOTEBOOK, notebook. DIARY, diary. PEN, pen. PENCIL, pencil. ERASER, eraser. sharpener, sharpener. ruler, ruler. slate, slate. chalk, chalk. duster, duster. compass, compass box. sketchpen, sketch pen. marker, marker. paper, paper. file, file. scissors, scissors. glue, glue. map, map. globe, globe. white, board, whiteboard. bench, bench. desk, desk. chair, chair. table, table. cupboard, cupboard. school, bag, school bag. water, water bottle. tiffin, tiffin box. fan, fan. T-U-B-E-L-I-G-H-T, tube light. W-I-N-D-O-W, window. D-O-O-R, door. D-U-S-T-B-I-N, dustbin. W-A-L-L-C-L-O-C-K, wall clock. S-U-B-J-E-C-T, subject. P-E-R-I-O-D, period. A-T-T-E-N-D-A-N-C-E, attendance. R-O-L-L-N-U-M-P-E-R, roll number. L-E-S-S-O-N, lesson. H-O-M-E-W-O-R-K, homework. P-R-O-J-E-C-T, project. T-E-S-T, test. E-X-A-M, exam. R-E-S-U-L-T, result. R-E-P-O-R-T, C-A-R-D, report card. H-O-L-I-D-A-Y, holiday. V-A-C-A-T-I-O-N, vacation. Great job today. Remember, fluency takes time. Keep practicing and watch this video again to master these words.